Hi friends, welcome to Rajshri Fashions. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வந்துட்டு celebrity sarees அது வந்து contest இருக்கு. So just you have to tell the celebrity name and that saree will be a giveaway. Just you have to pay the shipping charge only 100 rupees and the saree will be free for you. And this video will be uploaded at 6:30 and the video will be and the contest timing 7 to 9 p.m. So 2 hours time will be there. Just you have to send through a WhatsApp, the description given the WhatsApp link. You have to just tell the celebrity name, and those who give the first name, they will get the saree free, absolutely free sarees. So today we are showing to you 11-12 sarees are there. So just you have to tell the celebrity name, which celebrity has won this saree, and you will get a giveaway for this saree as a free. Just you have to pay shipping charge only 100 rupees. Thank you. So let's start. This saree in soft net with full embroidery border. Saree will be half and half, and this will be a chiffon georgette fabric, and this will be the blouse. Just you have to tell the celebrity name. This saree yaar wear and the saree wear pannirke, so the saree will be free for you. So we'll give the options like 5 face will be there. You have to tell the exact name, which celebrity has won this saree, and this saree will be absolutely free. Just you have to pay the shipping charge only 100 rupees. So next saree, it's in organza saree with full embroidery work. And you have to tell just the celebrity, which celebrity has won this saree, and absolutely this saree will be free for you. So saree will be 5.5 meter, and you have to just tell the celebrity name. In the saree yaar wear pannirke, so this saree will be free. Just you have to pay only 100 rupees shipping charge. Next saree in soft net with full zari embroidery. Saree will be 5.5 meter and 1 meter blouse varo. So ninga just celebrity name solna podu, WhatsApp la kile kuduthirukka description la, and the saree will be free for you. Just you have to pay shipping charge only 100 rupees. So this like a contest actually, giveaway. Just tell the name of the celebrity, which celebrity has won this saree, and it is an exact answer will be get first customer, first answer will get this saree free. Next saree in golden soft net with full gold sequence work. You just only have to pay only 100 rupees shipping charge, and just tell the exact name, which celebrity has won this saree, and this saree will be free. And this is the blouse, front back. Next saree, it's a full celebrity saree with full silver work. Just you have to tell only celebrity name, which celebrity has won this saree, and the saree will be absolutely free. Just you have to pay the shipping charge only 100 rupees. This is a live contest, so don't skip this video. Next saree in golden soft net saree with raw silk foil work. Saree will be 5.5 meter. Just have to tell the celebrity name, which celebrity has won this saree, and the saree will be absolutely giveaway. Just you have to pay only shipping charge 100 rupees. Next saree soft net with gold and silver sequence work. And blouse will be in the velvet fabric, plain velvet. Just you have to tell the celebrity name, which celebrity has won this sari, and the sari will be absolutely free. So don't skip this video. This is a live contest. Next sari. In Georgette with satin patti. So we'll create a one WhatsApp group, and the link will be given in the description. Just you have to click this link and join the group and tell the exact answer which celebrity has won this sari, and we'll go with the design number. So you have to tell, just very simple, you have to tell the design number and your name and this celebrity, which celebrity has won this sari. Next sari in soft net with water sequence. So timing will be 7 PM to 9 PM and the video uploading time 6:30. So you have to just tell the celebrity which celebrity has won this sari, and will announce through WhatsApp. So just you have to write the design number with the celebrity wear the sari. Next sari in the golden net sari with the full foil work, and this will be a live contest. You have to just tell the celebrity name, which celebrity has won this sari, and that sari will be giveaway just free. You only have to pay the shipping charge 100 rupees, and this sari will be a 5.5 meter. And description there will be a group link. Just you have to join the group, and with the design number you have to tell the celebrity which celebrity has won this sari, and the sari will be absolutely free. So don't skip this video, watch till the end. Next sari in soft net sari with full embroidery work. And this will be the blouse in raw silk fabric. So friends, I'll show all the sari again. Just you have to check the sari, and you have to tell the celebrity name, and just just join the group, WhatsApp group. There just you have to tell the design number 1 with the celebrity name, and same, and if those who answer first, they will get the sari immediately. They will be the winner of this contest. So thank you.